Welcome back to the Strong Lady channel, guys. So I'm going to be checking out for the first time Human Nature, and this one is Let It Snow, Let It Snow. Can't wait to check them out. My first time, like I said, going to be checking them out. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Oh, before you leave, you become a part of the family. All right. So let's jump in at the video.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow. Let it snow.
No, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow. Let it snow.
And it's featuring Delta Goodrem. I forgot to mention that in the first part. All right, guys. So I am loving it, and I love their tone. Yeah, the way they are singing. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Loving it.
When we finally kiss goodnight,
Beautiful
I ain't
voice.
going out in the storm. If you only hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Well, the fire is slowly dying,
But my dear, we're still goodbye.
but as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Let it snow.
Wow, their rendition of Let It Snow is really good, really beautiful. She has such a beautiful voice. They're singing in so many different tone of voice right now, giving it so many different tone and beats. Loving it, loving their rendition for sure.
Let it snow.
Sing it, boys.
When we finally kiss goodnight, I ain't going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. So the weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful.
Since we've no place to go.
Did you just hear him just now? Like I said, they're singing in so many different tones. Like, wow.
Let it snow.
Oh, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow.
Let it snow. We're gonna let it snow. We're gonna let it snow. Gonna let it snow.
Let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Come on, snow. Let it snow.
Let it snow.
If there's no place to go, let it snow.
Oh, yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love their rendition of Let It Snow, guys. Like I said, their tone, their different changes of tone. And her voice is so beautiful whenever she comes in, like, ooh, let's bring it up a notch. That was really good. I totally enjoyed a lot. All right, so I hope you do as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. And I'll catch you in another song reaction. Thanks for watching.